Meet Honorable Usman Bello Kumo, popularly known as Mega, the APC lawmaker representing Akko Federal Constituency in Gombe State. Born in Kumo, he studied law at Bayero University, Kano, where he first gained prominence as student union president in the late 1990s. His political career began at the grassroots, serving twice as chairman of Akko local government in 2006 and 2008. By 2011, he was elected to the House of Representatives, a seat he has retained across multiple terms. Kumo has twice chaired the House Committee on Police Affairs, and in July 2023, was elected Chief Whip of the 10th House of Representatives, making him one of the Chamber's principal officers. On the home front, he is admired for large-scale empowerment initiatives. In 2024 alone, he provided 200,000 naira grants to 750 constituents and distributed 250 motorcycles to traditional and community leaders. Respected for his mix of grassroots mobilization and disciplined legislative work, Usman Bello Kumo stands today as a key voice on police reform, internal security, and community development.